Independent Client Concepts Incorporated, Goodman. This is the Hickson job. So we want to take a look. Today we came out and finished putting in a base 36 there and a end panel here to the left of the refrigerator. Just took a look real quick. All this is completely done last time, but there's a couple of places here that's got to be clean. We're going to take care of those things. And over here, we got all our moldings down, got all of our finish returns, scribes up the sides. We went through and adjusted all of the doors where everything lines up good. This is the new cabinet. I got pictures of where we put it in place. We shimmed it from the bottom up and then put the valance back on it. So that is shimmed to height and correct as far as underneath. Here, all your finished moldings, finished handles. This one is a sink base 36. It was for a drop-in gas cooktop, so we had to omit the top panel. If you take a look, we scooped the sides deeper than the hole opening so that the panel, the piece will fit down inside. There is still a flexible hose here. It's a square drive. You're going to have to take that clamp that we had made on it out when you actually install the regulator for the back of it. 9-inch pull out. That's all done. There was a little scraping sound on this one. I fixed it. It had a screw that was open, so I had fixed it as far as the drawer, so it pulls and opens. Opening on this one is actually the cutout dimension for the appliance. Up here, all your moldings now are set. You've got your end panel, everything all complete. The countertop guys actually had to do a little bit of trimming, I guess, on their panel. And so each side needs to have just a little bit of their white caulking put in to match this color so that you don't have a gap there. On this side here, we've got a opening that is a 4-inch filler on the right. So it's 40 inches wide and 72 inches to the floor, so plenty of room for a big refrigerator. Here we have the leftover moldings, just leaving them just in case something gets damaged or rubbed or something, you got to replace it. Left those there. Over here, I've got you all your color samples. There's the white, there's the Tiffany. Left you a couple pieces of the small moldings if you want to take those back and look at color matching purposes. Over here on this side, got our moldings down. All of our nail holes are touched up on the bottom. Adjusted all the doors and drawer fronts on this side as well. Top right, that door was open. It was touching, so we went ahead and put a restrictor clip on that one so it cannot open past. As far as that goes, it won't touch the header that way. On this side here, everything adjusted, so moldings are all put up on it. As far as the opening for the dishwasher, 24-inch opening, all you got to do is just pop those out with your fist. You got a couple of brads in the back of them when you go to put your actual dishwasher in. And the ones in the back, of course, have to stay. Let's go take a look at the master bath. Stop here first at the fireplace cabinets. Got the fireplace cabinets left and right hand side. They have locking clips on them. They can be adjusted, but you'll have to use a spoon and your thumb to adjust them if you want to move the clips. Here on the bottom, they've got their countertop. They've some other stuff is here that they've been working. They got their countertop on and put all of their caulking and stuff up against the face frame of the cabinet. See them over there. On this side, here's this, all complete. And then again, this is where the countertop guys put their materials in. Little rub there, I guess, when you're trying to get to go in the opening. It's a lot of sun in here. And here's master bath. They've got their toe area finished boards in place. All the base board and stuff is in place on there. This one, you actually have your bowl openings and everything all lines up good. Countertops were the rectangular. They look really good. Same thing over here. A lot of mess left from the plumbing or someone else above me there. And then as far as that goes, I got one more bathroom. All right, here's the guest bath. And again on it, square sink, widespread faucet holes, all finished opening. And this is what you actually are seeing with the tall doors. It's very good to be able to see all the way back to the back of the cabinet. All right, back in the kitchen area, just wanted to show you here. We put all the touch-up materials up here in the top in that box. So you got all your markers and all your stuff there, kitchen touch-up. So if you have any other questions about anything, feel free to give me a call at 423-650-1051. It's 100% complete.